Hello, this is question 500 June 2018, paper 2 from Edexcel, and you have this equation has one real root, and we have to solve for this equation. The Newton-Raphson formula can be written this way. So remember, you have the Raphson-Newton formula in the formula booklet, and it's this one. Is the previous term. I can show you. You have it in numerical methods. You have the trapezium rule and the Newton-Raphson formula. Yeah, is xn minus fxn divided by f prime. So the derivative of xn. This equal to 0 is going to be your fx. Yeah. So what we are going to write is xn, because the Newton-Raphson formula is going to be in terms of xn, and then I'm going to substitute in the numerator the function again, so 2xn to the power of 3 plus xn squared minus 1, and in the denominator I'm going to derivate my function. Yeah, so the derivative of x is going to be 6x squared plus 2x, and this is what is going to go here in the denominator, but with xn. So I have 6xn squared plus 2xn. And now I'm just going to add these things together, or well, subtract. So I have 6xn squared times by xn is 6xn cubed minus 2 is 4. So I have 4 xn cubed, and then 2x times x is 2x squared minus x squared is 1x squared, so plus xn squared, and then minus is plus 1, all divided by that denominator. Yeah, and that's the formula that I have to find. Yeah, it's this one here. So this is the first part. Then for B, it says using the formula with x1 equals 1, we have to find x2 and x3. So what we are going to do is, starting with x1 equals 1, we are going to substitute to find x2 and x3. So x2 is going to be for x1, which is 1 cubed plus, I'm just substituting 1 squared plus 1 divided by 6 times 1 squared plus 2 times 1. Yeah, and this is 3/4. So that's the value of x2. And then x3 is going to be, I'm going to start with x2 to find x3. So x2 3/4 means, I'm going to space this so we have it in the same place. That means that x3, substituting in the formula, is going to be 4 times 3/4 cubed plus 3/4 squared plus 1 in the numerator, and in the denominator I have 6 times 3/4 squared plus 2 times 3/4. This is just a calculator thing. You are careful to not make any mistakes. And this is 2/3. Yeah. And then the last thing, it says explain why for this question the Newton-Raphson method cannot be used with x1 equals 0. x1 equals 0. X1 equals 0, it could be because it's a stationary point. So let's go to check. You have the derivative function. When x is 0, the derivative function is 0. Yeah, so that means that this is a stationary point, and I can use Newton-Raphson with a stationary point. Yeah, it won't work. So I just have to say that it's a stationary point. I'm going to squeeze it here. It's a stationary point. Therefore, you cannot use Newton-Raphson in a stationary point. Yeah, and that's all with this question.